This is the tested and proven line at my loft. Changizi, the hen. I flied her up to 400 kilometers air distance, and then I stopped her because I don't have many of that speed and that line. And with that I have another male jumbo, a blue bar. I got 6 babies. They will fly all young birds next year, and among them you can see 4 are here. So this is very young. He's like 40 days young. I would say that 40 days, trying to capture. And then the other one here, and these are siblings. The 2 are in the loft, actually inside the loft.